In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the address on your Zoho invoice. This process is straightforward and only takes about 5 minutes, so let's jump right in and make sure you have everything set up perfectly. First, you need to log into your Zoho Books account, open your preferred web browser, and head over to the Zoho Books website. Enter your login credentials such as your username and password, then click to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. Here, you'll find various business management options available. Next, we're going to head into the settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. There you'll see a gear icon, which serves as the gateway to all your customization settings. Give that a click. Now, you should find yourself on a page filled with different setting categories designed to give you full control over your invoices and more. Within the settings menu, locate and click on the customization option. This is your one-stop shop for all things invoice design and layout, allowing you to tweak how your invoices look and feel. From here, navigate to PDF templates, an area specific to customizing various elements of your documents. Once you click on PDF templates, you'll notice several template options that Zoho Books provides. We're interested in modifying the invoice template specifically, so pick the invoices option. After selecting invoices, next up is clicking on the edit button. This allows you to start making direct changes to the content layout, including the header where address details are typically stored. In the editing section, search for the header and footer option. This is where you can tweak the details at the very top and bottom of your invoices. Click into header and footer and then select header. With the header selected, you'll see an option that prompts you to customize your header content. This step is crucial as it allows you to personalize the address and other important information that appears on the top of your invoices. Now you will click on Insert Placeholder. Placeholders are essentially dynamic fields that pull specific data into your template. In this case, you're going to want to add the street address placeholder. Once you've selected the street address, you're almost there. Now it's time to manually input the new address you want to appear on your invoices. Type in the street, city, and any other necessary details exactly as you want them to appear. Finally, ensure all your changes are saved by clicking on the Save button. This will apply your new address to all invoices generated going forward, ensuring consistency and accuracy in your billing communications. And that's it, you've successfully updated the address on your Zoho invoice. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials to streamline your business processes.